patterns emerge. We all need to consider two things. First, the change in where and how people work and how this impacts every business process across the organization. And second, how automation is supercharging collaboration. Technology can help us navigate this change. Every organization requires a digital fabric that connects people, places, and processes, and this creates a massive opportunity for all of you to help make hybrid work work. We are the only cloud that supports everything an organization needs to make this shift. Think about all the hybrid work solutions your organizations require today. Meetings, chat, phones, scheduling, project management, cloud storage, analytics, and automation. And the cost and the complexity that goes along with adding, deploying, managing each of them. Microsoft 365 brings all these solutions together into one integrated experience that makes work easier and smarter for employees. And customers can save more than 60% compared to a patchwork of competitive solutions. When it comes to people, it starts with taking a new approach to collaboration, both inside and outside the organization. We need to be great at sync, async, in-person, and remote collaboration. In a previous era, you could get away with one or two of these quadrants, but now you need all four quadrants to be excellent at any given time for work to get done and collaboration to happen. Across Microsoft 365 and Teams, we are innovating to support all the ways people work. And today, we're announcing many exciting new features to make this possible, including collaborative annotations so that you can engage on any content presented with screen share in Teams meetings, video clip, so you can capture and edit a short personalized video message, and Excel Live, which allows meeting participants to edit Excel files directly from a meeting window itself without needing to leave Teams. We also need to prioritize the employee experience. When work is increasingly happening anywhere, anytime, the employee experience needs to adapt accordingly. It needs to be digital first, connecting every employee wherever they are and whenever they are working to facilitate engagement and retention. That's our goal with Microsoft Viva, which is now being used by more than 1,000 organizations as their digital employee experience platform, helping employees feel more connected to their company's mission and culture. Viva brings together communications, communities, knowledge, learning, goals, and insights right in the flow of work in Teams. I'm so excited in particular about Viva Goals, which creates a different form of alignment across a team or organization. It brings business goals into the flow of everyday work. Think about how powerful that is. When all your objectives and key results are shared across the organization, everyone becomes aligned. Viva Goals will be generally available next month. In the new world of work, it's more important than ever to connect people across the organization, wherever and whenever they work, so everyone feels included and invested. It's why we're introducing Viva Engage, which helps employees build community, spark engagement with leadership, harness the knowledge and answers, and build their own personal networks. It includes new experiences like storylines, so you can create and share what you're passionate about, discover and follow colleagues and leaders, and find answers to questions. We're also expanding Viva to include new modules for specific functions, starting with sales. We have connected Dynamics 365 with Office and Teams to harness customer and business data and use it to supercharge the systems of record. Viva Sales helps sellers capture information about what has happened between customers and salespeople across the entire Microsoft 365 suite, their Outlook mails, Teams chats, and bring it right into a CRM tool they use every day, eliminating the burden of manual data entry. It ensures sales leaders have one unified view of activities while removing the friction of sellers keeping their CRM systems up to date. Our approach extends to where people work, in person or remote, so you can unlock productivity wherever you are. Space, in fact, is the ultimate collaboration tool that we have refined over a 200-year period. We're not going to trade it away, but we are going to use it very differently. With Teams rooms, we are bridging the gap between people working remotely and those in the office with innovations like Front Row. In partnership with OEMs including Jabra, Hudley, Logitech, Neat, Poly, Yarlink, we are delivering intelligent cameras designed to enhance the presence of people in Teams rooms. With AI-powered speaker tracking, in-room cameras can detect who in the room is speaking, and cameras are capable of producing multiple video streams, allowing in-room attendees to show up as individual feeds to remote attendees so that every person can be seen and identified clearly and show which participants are in person and which are remote. This is so useful to ensure every meeting attendee is always a first-class participant. It's also why I'm so energized about Windows 365, which is designed to help organizations empower their workforce to be more productive and connected regardless of their location. Between Windows 365 and Azure Virtual Desktop, you have the most diverse set of options so everyone can work how and where they want. It's been 1 year since we launched Windows 365 right here at Inspire, and it's been amazing to see how so many people and organizations are using it to power hybrid work. Customers like Lego Group are using Windows 365 to help interns and vendors rapidly onboard and collaborate with internal teams from their first day on the job. And partners like ScanSource and IMS Solutions have helped businesses from BPO American adopt Windows 365 to make it possible for call center employees to work remotely while improving their security posture and reducing infrastructure costs. We continue to expand where and how Windows 365 can be used, and today we are excited to announce the Windows 365 will soon be available for the US government and government contractors. Our approach to space extends to the metaverse and how we are bringing together digital and physical worlds. We're taking a software-led approach so that everyone can benefit from these experiences regardless of what device they're on. That's what we're building with Mesh for Teams, which I've been using internally and is accessible from anywhere on any device, including VR headsets, HoloLens, tablets, phones, as well as PCs. This secular change extends to every business process. Consider marketing, sales, customer service, supply chain, finance, all the critical everyday functions in an organization. Think about this. If Teams is where we work, we will want to access everything right there in the flow of work, giving back our most scarce resource, our time. And the software required to manage these mission-critical business processes must move from traditional ERP, CRM, and supply chain management systems of record to be much more data, collaboration, and AI first. Teams, along with Power Platform and Dataverse, are powering this across all enterprise business applications. Today, over 1,500 third-party applications are available on the Teams App Store, spanning every industry and business function. More and more ISVs are generating millions in revenue from customers using apps built on Teams. And for our SI partners, collaborative applications are the most common starting point for modern work transformation programs. Leading third-party ISVs, including Adobe, Atlassian, Figma, Salesforce, SAP, ServiceNow, Workday, have all built deep integrations with Teams, helping customers bring every business process and function directly into the flow of work. To share just one example, Maersk is using ServiceNow on Teams to streamline daily work and create great employee experiences directly within Teams. Dynamics 365 is purpose-built for this new world of business process. Our intelligent business applications connect data, process, and teams, ushering in a new era of hyper-connected business and offering unparalleled value. Customers can save up to 50% compared to our major competitors. And today, I'm excited to announce the Microsoft Digital Contact Center platform, which brings together Dynamics 365, Azure Communication Services, Teams, Power Platform, and Nuance into one open, extensible, and collaborative platform to deliver seamless omnichannel customer engagement. Today, siloed data systems, along with high interoperability and maintenance costs, too often get in the way of best-in-class personalized customer experience. Because our digital contact center is a single unified platform, it reduces costs and allows instant visibility into trends across all service channels. For instance, consider a customer service agent at HP who takes a call. They're able to automatically authenticate the customer based on their voice instead of a PIN or password. They're able to see the health of the account at a glance. They can instantly see topic pages related to the customer-specific questions. And with Teams integration, they can swarm with subject matter experts across the organization to resolve escalations. We're also working closely with SIs and ISVs such as Genesys and NICE to give customers the choice they need to support their digital contact center transformation strategy. When we make everyday experiences collaborative, we can bend the productivity curve for an entire organization. It's why I'm excited to see so many customers and partners leverage Teams as an organizing layer for a new class of collaborative line of business applications. I believe these apps could become the biggest breakthrough drivers in today's labor market because they bring both knowledge workers and frontline workers together in the context of their communications and drive the next level of automation and productivity. More than 80,000 of these apps have been created by organizations in every industry. Take